Today I'm going to be pranking my dog. She hates getting wet. Well, she actually loves being in the water. Swimming is like her favorite thing to do in the whole wide world. She absolutely hates getting wet, getting sprayed by this, so I'm gonna get her. She hates it. Here, look, watch, ready? She's gonna bark. Told you. I'm gonna get her, dude. So, fill it up. Okay. No, you gotta get cold water in there. I'm busy. No, that's warm water. That's better. Nice and cool. She has no. You guys heard her when I picked the spray bottle up. She just started barking and barking, barking. This thing shoots far. So look at the couch. The light, come on. Right here. Look at the flow. And she goes right there. Horrible. Huh. It's in my room. She has no idea. My room's super messy right now. Let's go get her. Let's get my bed wet. I beat the bed, just kidding. She absolutely hates this thing. So, go ahead. There she is. She'll get what she deserves. This is for getting me in trouble for digging all those holes. It's what you get. Haha. She got it all good. Let's get her again. Where is she? Fine. But I need to get aim. I need aim again. Okay. She absolutely loves getting wet, but hates. There we go. Ugh. Maybe if I shoot this way, she'll. Now I'm getting her ready. Okay guys, I put the curtain down and she's still barking, which means I still gotta get her wet more. The more she barks, the more times I have to get her wet. So I'm just like, oh my gosh, she's like, let's see her reaction. I feel bad, so I'm gonna go give Bella some treats. Tell her I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry, Bella. I'm sorry. Do you forgive me? I'm sorry. Give you some treats now. Actually, I need. Okay, you have enough water. Woo! Oh yeah. Yeah, you get those treats. Look at that guy go, but look at Bella. Caught that one. Oh, the camera's off focus a little bit, but ready? Oh, don't worry, Bella. You almost had it. Come here. You ready? Ready? Oh, she's getting good at this. Like, Bella, tell everyone goodbye, and you're a good sport, okay? You're a good sport, and you want to say goodbye to everyone because you love them?